Hi everyone, Imran here with another video, and in today's tutorial I will guide you how to enter recovery mode on your iPad Pro. For this video you need a USB cable to connect your iPad to a computer. So connect your iPad to PC. Now on the side you will find the volume up and volume down keys. You need to press these keys once. Press volume up and then volume down, and now on the top you will find the power key, and you need to keep holding this key until you see the recovery screen on your iPad. Now again volume up, volume down, and now keep holding the power key until you see the recovery screen. Now it says slide to power up, but I am still holding the power key. Now keep holding, keep holding. Now congratulations, your iPad Pro is now in recovery mode. Now you can restore your iPad through iTunes. Now to exit the recovery mode, keep holding the power key until the screen turns black. Now I will keep holding the power key to exit the recovery mode. Now your iPad will reboot, as you can see. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.